So when it comes to flip phones right now, my top pick is definitely the Galaxy Z Flip 3. It's become one of the phones I use the most on a weekly basis, and when folded, it sort of looks like a big saltine cracker. I know that's a weird way to describe a phone, but hey, I just did it. It's also nice for the reason that it takes up a lot less pocket space when you take it out with you, and it has an extremely cool cover screen where you can change the clock style and add custom widgets and even access different apps on your phone. I've also got the Venom wallpaper going on right now. I've kind of left it there. I think it looks pretty slick, but I'm going to go into the settings here so you can see some of the different cover screen options. Now, they've got widgets that you can add, but I'm going to go to the clock style and switch it up to the animal option. Right now, you can see I've got it on the Superman GIF, but you can add different GIFs or do whatever you want. The animal option here does come stock on the phone, and it's pretty cool. So let's check it out. Awesome. Okay, then of course, spec-wise, the Z Flip 3 has a huge 6.7-inch display, a great camera for phone photography, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and is great for all media-related activities. Of course, as I'm getting more into this phone, if you guys wanted to learn more about it, we will have some resource links in the description. Okay, next I'm going to throw up a clip here so you can check out some of the video and sound quality. Then I'm going to play a couple of high-graphic games right after that.
Everything in my power to protect this city. I promise.
Guapo.
Gracias, mami.
Guys, I wanted to thank you. Both of you.
You need to lay low. Don't trust anybody, and don't take off that mask.
This message is from Roxxon. The underground will stop it.
They need you. Miles, what's the underground doing?
They're after Newform. Tinkerer, stop!
Gotta say, I'm disappointed, bud.
Krieger.
You think you can beat the Tinker? Roxxon, you can!
Every time I think I got this Spider-Man thing figured out,
Okay, bottom line, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is an awesome flip phone. I would recommend it to anybody out there. Of course, if you have any questions specifically about using it, whether it's daily use or anything, feel free to message me below in the comments. Please tap that like button if you haven't, guys. Subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video.